Holy guacamole! Good morning. Today is May 27th. It's a Monday. And we're inside the Iguazu Falls National Park. Oh wow! Look! What is that? The lemur? It's on the wild.
Oh, they said that they grab your food, Dad.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing.
No, he's hiding.
Right off the bat. We have a encounter with the wild animal. Where is he? Oh, there. There it is. Oh, look at that. What? I've never seen such an animal, Mom. It looks like a raccoon.
This. May malaking grupo na.
Welcome to Green Trail. Okay, this is the first one. And that's the details. 655 meters long. Let's go. So we're trying to be careful of more wild animals. Apparently there are snakes and jaguars here. And pumas. So never underestimate. Faye is brave enough to be the first. So lucky me. Look at this. It's a rainforest. Okay, we're at the junction. So you got the inferior circuit. And over here, what do we have here? That's the map. Cataratas 250. So this is where it all splits up. So we're going there with Faye. This is our first circuit for the day. The upper circuit, superiores. 1750 meters. Ooh. With a slippery bridge. Yeah. There's a river here. River in the jungle. This is so nice. Oh my god. Yep, don't touch it. What is it? Oh, it's a caterpillar.
Caterpillar. It's a fern. It's a fern. It has like a plant on its back.
No, those are the spikes.
Yeah, oh, only here. Only here in the jungle.
Spikes.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. Okay. We're on a bridge. I could see the falls from... That's the camera shaking. Salto Chico. Ooh. It's there. Oh my goodness. We're here, Mom. That's so huge. The Niagara Falls of South America. everybody's here. Wait, this is so pretty. Yeah. Hey. Okay. My goodness, my goodness, do you see what I see? There's number 10. Oh, there's a big bird there, man.
Where is it?
There. Black and white.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, you're a very good eye.
Look out.
Wow! Yay! Galing bird dad.
Holy guacamole! Excelente! Mama Nature at its best. what you see. That is Brazil on that side. Brazil. And we are here in Argentina. That's Messi. Mrs. Messi. Yeah, that's Brazil over there. That's their platform over there. Brazil. Okay, so we're taking the second circuit, inferior, lower trail. Let's go. Face already ahead, because the jungle awaits for no one. Oh, it's over here. Where's Faye going? Maybe that's the toilet. We are having brunch again.
Yeah.
She's the poncho girl from Red Bus Ponchos. See? Big red bus. And this is me. Very cold and raining outside. We're here at IGUAZU National Park. IGUAZU. Big bus tours. We've come prepared. Okay. Have to put this away. Might get wet. Salto la Luce. So strong, man. There's the jungle. Woohoo! Ahoy there, Brazil! Faye and I are here on Argentina. Tomorrow we go there. There's a platform down there. And they're coming from up there. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be there. We have to cross the immigration first. Immigraciones Portuguese. There's some birds flying over there. Huge birds. Yes, okay. Mama Faye is calling me. She has seen something.
To see on the lower platform the adventure boat down there. So it just gives you a different perspective, because earlier we were there and you could see the ledge with the people. We were on top of the falls. Then we're down here.
So this is the trail, the jungle trail, or the canopy walk here in Iguazu National Park. And on my right is the falls, and on my left is just the flora and fauna. There's the falls, guys. Oh, so majestic. Mama Nature at its best. Okay, you see some birds flying over there. Okay, we keep walking. Keep walking. Oh, it's so nice here. Rainforest. Rainforest. Look. And over here. Look. Oh. Oh. Waterfall after waterfall, and it's raining. Oh, there she is, waiting for me. Yeah, so nice here. I think I can live in this place, man. I only need a visa. What are you looking at? Yeah. Choo-choo train. Train.
Tito's riding a choo-choo train.
Yes. In the forest.
We're going on top of the falls.
Are we going on top of the falls? Choo-choo train. Choo-choo train. Train lines here. Okay, so it's 2 p.m. now. We started 8 o'clock from here. We went there, just walk all the way there. That's the superior trail, or the elevated one. Inferior one is down here. You get more a zoomed in version of the falls. Okay, the blue one allows you to see it in a bird's eye view. Then now here we took the train down here to exit. The train used to go up here, but it's inaccessible because this bridge portion here is damaged, so we can't see that one. Okay, so here's the reference. So the green trail 15 minutes, upper trail 120 minutes. We didn't do this one, we did this one, and we didn't do this one too. So that's it. Because no access. Okay, from 8 to 2 p.m. Oh, 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 oh. Naganda ng film. Oh my God, nagmamadali. Always in a hurry. Huh? Okay, Brazil and Argentina. Cheers. Salud. Yeah, salud. I'll try this one.
Even the color, it's different.
Empanadas and beer. Okay.
And with my Messi t-shirt.
Yeah. What else?
I'd like to take a picture here with my
Maria
Messi.
and the one Messi number 10. Display. Okay. What's the name of that one?
Yes. Oh, okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Wow. What is this? All I understand is the combo.
That's a small one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Gracias.
Yeah, that's it. This is the colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We are here. The three borders. Look. We are in Argentina. And the one over there is Brazil. And you cross that one, I think that's the borders. And over here is Paraguay on the left. Oh, so nice. See? That's the Argentina side. And down there is the river that separates the three countries: Argentina, Paraguay, and Brazil. So I think over there, yeah, definitely the Ferris wheel is Brazil. Paraguay across. Beautiful. I've never been to a place like this, yeah? Three borders intersecting. And you see it physically. That's the bridge that crosses from Argentina to Brazil and vice versa. Look. Tomorrow, take a taxi, cross the bridge. Immigration is on the other side. Fill up some paperwork, and we're in Brazil. But in the meantime, we enjoy this because we had a big lunch. Oh, big early dinner. So have a lot of time to burn calories. Give some time. Okay, I'm gonna look for Faye. because Faye is up there, decided to stay there. I think she's tired already. Okay, we head back home. This is just 1.5 kilometers from the accommodation we're staying at for 2 days only. We just came here to see the falls. All right, let's go.